Welcome back. Hello, guys. Welcome back to another stream. They were live chatting. Um, it's gonna be interesting. We'll see. I'm excited. It's new week, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Welcome everyone. I'm just gonna um wait a little bit, and then we'll start. Yo, mates. Hello. Welcome. I just have to do something, and then I'll be okay. Yep. Welcome, mates. Hello. New week. I have my buy side and sell side drawn. There's also sell side, but I'm gonna explain a little bit later. We just have to start first. And okay, we're gonna start in a couple of minutes. I'm just gonna wait a little bit and just get something to drink and then be right back. Okay, we're back. Um, yeah, hope Monday is good for me. Yeah, I hope so too. I hope Monday is good for me as well. I have buy side right here on Nasdaq. Well, how I got it is I took a fib and then went to the 1 hour, and like the most obvious high on the 1 hour above the fib, it's right here, those equal highs here and here, so I chose those equal highs. It's more visible than the 1 minute as well, but yeah. And there's also liquidity above here, but I'd say this one is more significant, so that's why I picked that. So yeah, this is Nasdaq, and then we're gonna go back to, and this is external buy side liquidity. So why is uh, my bias bullish, and why is my joint liquidity especially to the bullish side today? To the silver bullet as well. I'm gonna be trading the silver bullet today, but to the long side. So if we go to weekly chart, we see we have an order block right here, and then from this order block we reacted, we respected it. It's actually a proportion block, so it's even stronger. And then we have a SIBI right here, fair value gap, weekly imbalance, and I'm expecting price to draw up here, and it's also a balanced price range. I mean, just because it's a balanced price range, I'm not exactly sure, but I'm expecting draw at least above the equilibrium, which will be around here. Heidecker just came back from holiday. First trading day today. London session was good. SPX. I hope New York will do the same. Yeah. Well, I didn't trade the London session. I only took like a demo trade on the GBP/USD just for fun, because I just recently got into Forex. Maybe did something. Well, didn't play it out well, but it was also not. It was demo, but it was also a very nice market maker buy model on EU that didn't exactly play out, but it's fine. Oh, by the way, guys, I have a new Discord because there's no previous Discord. I got a new one, so you have the link in the description. So join if you like. And now we're just waiting. We have sell side here. Yeah, that's true. So we have sell side. I'm gonna use raise because it's much easier, because you just place it and you don't need to extend it. So raise are much more like user friendly. I think it's much easier to use raise than normal um, normal like trend lines. So what I want is 830 we didn't have much volatility, so I might use 930 to see volatility get injected, and then at that time I will look for longs probably into the 50% of the range from this high to the low that we form. I mean, if we take a look, the 50% or is this low, and we already hit it. So at 930 we could see a move higher, or we can see a liquidity sweep of more obvious liquidity here, 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 and then all of this consolidation sweep, and then so sweep and then reverse. And yeah, my bias would still be bullish because we have this external bias of liquidity above here, right here. We did take liquidity, right? We did take liquidity. I believe it was, I don't know big, but there was a lot of liquidity. Oh, it's array. There was a lot of liquidity above all those highs. We took it today. We're reversing, so DXY possibly running those relative equal highs on daily. Yeah, let me check. One daily. We go to DXY. Equal highs. Yeah, that's a good. That could be a really nice joint liquidity as well. Made us, you're right, because we are disrespecting the order block. We're really trading above it, and next joint liquidity would be here. But we can also see it stop at those equal body highs. So trade into rejection block and then reverse from here. So my joint liquidity would only be a rejection block, not the highs. But we are still joining to, so EU especially, I'm talking about EU, could go lower. And it's going lower, taking the previous week's low as well. So let's see the daily on EU. Yeah, it's just like expected. I was expecting price to take out this previous week's low, but we already took this one as well. So there was a decent. No, I was actually expecting to take this one because we already took this one on Friday. Because like I was looking at the New York session, but we had a really nice displacement, and then the 2022 model right here targeting those lows. Very nice on EU, but it was during London session that I didn't really trade for real, so I didn't take any trades. But we're still waiting for a sweep on. We're still waiting for a sweep on the SPX that I'm currently trading. But I would see. Honestly, I would take the trade even if Nasdaq take liquidity, especially for the downside. I would take a trade if we sweep sell side or buy side on, and it's this obvious low above all those relative lows, relative equal lows. It's this high. I mean highs. It's this high that just stands out to me. You see how obvious it is? This is also liquidity, but I prefer this one because it's much more significant right here. So I'm just gonna wait and we will see what happens right now. But generally SPX has a really nice draw to the upside, especially how we have this high put in. And yeah, we're just raging in this 15-minute fair value gap on SPX currently. We are really not moving away from it. DXY also came into the old fair value gap on the weekly as well, so we could see a nice rejection. Yeah, but I think DXY will come into the rejection block on the daily chart. I'm really looking for that rejection block to be taken. So I'm just gonna see and we'll wait. I mean, this fair value gap is really important, especially how we came to it and then ranging inside, not closing below it multiple times. So if we do get below it, then maybe we'll take this out, but I'd say we still go higher because it's been a really strong PD array holding really strongly. Yeah, forex pairs is just melting and the XY is just pumping into the rejection block. Interesting. That means that yeah, the DXY and so this is Monday and this is Friday. We'll see. Wait, let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's nice to see how well we are rejecting and how well we are actually trading like in this fair value gap because if we switch to Nasdaq, we we don't really have any fair value gap. This has been so well respected, and I believe there's SMT right here. Yes, there's a very clear SMT from this low to this low, and you see it's higher lows and then lower lows right here. So I really want to actually see Nasdaq. I believe which one looks better. I mean, I believe Nasdaq could be looking better for longs if we sweep this because then we'll have 1, 2, 3 drives pattern and or 3 Indians pattern and it's an indication another indication will go higher. So Nasdaq looks better. While SPX, yeah, it looks good, but I wanna see injected volatility at 9:30. So I wanna see a Judas swing, which means basically a move in the wrong direction, trapping traders in, and then yeah, and then just trading in the other direction. So we'll wait. How's the forex doing? Forex is just, I believe it's gonna go higher now, even though it's very bearish, but it went below the previous weeks. No, it actually went below the weekly low. No previous week's low, but weekly low. So very nice if we do get along here. Still didn't sweep anything, so no trade yet. I like to see a sweep, but silver bullet, I don't need a sweep for silver bullet. Previous week, silver bullets on SPX has been really clean, right? it was the silver bullet entry was here in the 1 minute and then right up, and then there was a silver bullet, so this was AM, and then there was PM, silver bullet right here, and then also long, so 2 silver bullets. It was nice, it delivered how it should, so very nice. And then there was also a silver bullet on a Thursday, which we didn't trade. It was right here, entry somewhere on the 1 minute, and then to the low right here and right here. And then the PM was basically a, after we took the joint liquidity, the external liquidity, the silver bullet was to the long side, at least to the 50%, which we didn't get, but we still traded into this imbalance, which was very, very important. And then we respected it multiple times here and here, and now we reacting from it. So yeah, we are actually like imbalances gets respected even though they're already like utilized and traded into, because we're not trading supply and demand, and we cut through candles sometimes. And you see this inversion fair value gap, like how well respected it is. You see we have consolidation inside, we have trading above it into a clean order block, taking all of this liquidity build up right here. Liquidity order block sells off. Very, very like algorithmic trading. It's very obvious to see those things sometimes, but it was during London, which I don't trade, and I probably wouldn't trade this anyways, because it was obvious, but it wasn't so clean, you know. It wasn't very clean, so I just wouldn't take it. It's hindsight what I'm showing you, but this could be a part of your model or just model itself. It really depends on you. GBP. Yeah, GBP is basically having an SMT with euro, so it's gonna be interesting to see what happens. But I'm expecting euro to go higher now. Yeah, we do have a short-term high broken. We do have a fair value gap, but it's not in discount, so it's invalid entry actually. I would personally use this one down here, so this wouldn't be a valid entry for the 2022 model. And but I wouldn't take any entry right here anyways. We are really just trading ranging inside the gap. Now we can take a look where the new week opening gap actually is. That could give us more indications. So if you take a look, there is a gap right here. Gap high and gap low. We did not trade into it right here, so at midnight we did not trade into it. We actually filled it, but then we sold off right here, sold off, and we're also inside the OT level, so we could see a reaction, or that new week opening gap will act as a draw. So sweep liquidity, come into the fair value gap, and then rejection to the upside. So basically this new week opening gap, I'm gonna remove it, but it's like in the middle from like somewhere around here to just below this low. And I know it is there, so I don't really need it on my chart. Yeah, it looks like EU is gonna form a short-term high right here, which which maybe will, so this high, which maybe will get broken eventually. Nice, we'll see. But yeah, as I said, I want to wait for 9:30 maybe, so I can see volatility injected, and Nasdaq would look really nice if we do get a setup. Today I'm like looking at Nasdaq specifically, but it could also happen on SPX. Yeah. Mm. Mm. EU might go up for a little bit. My weak jaw. Wait, my weak jaw is. Let's see. What's your weekly jaw liquidity? It's 1.8. Oh yeah, it's below it. Yeah. So your jaw is right here. I see. Your jaw this low. I mean, we are in the order block and in the fair value gap on the weekly. So I really want to see how we respect this. And I was bullish until we took this low. Now I don't. I was bearish until we take this low. So I don't know. We took the weekly short-term low. So this was very obvious. I was expecting London session to reverse. I just had no idea where it would be. I'm still fighting this very interesting to see. So we had a fair value gap we traded into, and then sold off taking the weekly low, which is very interesting. Very interesting. So, but first I would like to see something like SPX, or I'm just gonna add I and okay. Yeah, we can call. Mater's gonna join my call right now. Yeah, sure. Hello? Let me just put you on the stream. 1 sec. Okay, yeah. I think I can
Yo,
hear you.
what's up?
Hello. Well, how are you?
I'm all right. I'm all right. Just kind of observing now. Just
Uh-huh.
looking
Yeah.
around.
Chris, yeah, I got a
And
2 hour in that obvious low. Nice.
I have an idea what might happen with 9:30 opening.
Yeah, sure. What
With
is your
Nasdaq, so I'm looking at Nasdaq obviously. So Nasdaq on 1 hour, we had a gap. We were trading. We traded past it. We closed it below. I'm trading as an inversion gap. What I think is gonna happen, 9:30 open will make price go up higher. We're still above New York Midnight Open, so we're still in premium. I'm probably gonna take shorts because I think that I mean there is liquidity. The daily buy side, it's just there. I don't know. It's just looks just looks like we're gonna take it, and then probably
so you
SPX will dig deeper into the daily the three candles, which is the order block,
mm-hmm.
propulsion block. But and then yeah, we're gonna probably dig deeper into that and then probably reverse after we sweep the Nasdaq liquidity and we've dug deeper into the order block because we've touched the body. I mean, last week we did go a little bit. to the order block, but we didn't even hit 50% of it, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking we might even go lower today. Who knows, you know? Who knows? Because I don't know. It's just a very confusing. I mean, Monday. I don't really like Mondays, like as I said.
And there's no news,
But
there's no volatility being
yeah,
injected.
there's nothing today. I saw as well. Yeah.
So yeah, I'm really relying on 9:30 today.
Yeah, I think we could see a nice. I mean, if I'm my bias is kind of like long term. It's kind of I don't know. It's neutral for me. So now I don't know.
Hmm.
Dollar. I mean, I'm expecting dollar to go up higher. But on the 15 minute, we did stop into that weekly fair value gap, which is like an inversion gap now. And and I also have my weekly premium wick consequent encouragement drawn as well on of the Monday, 3rd of July.
Hmm.
So I'll see. And we haven't hit 50% yet, but we probably will hit it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking at.
So for SPX, I mean, um, we do have a lot of liquidity. Like the SPX has just been the chart from like start of the August has been like, if you look at a 4 hour for
Yeah.
SPX,
Oh yeah.
it's been like just very big consolidation. I mean, slowly moving lower, but very
Yeah,
big
even ICT
consolidation.
said that ICT even talked about this price action. Yeah, it's just very, he just said it's ugly price action because
Yeah,
you got in August.
it is very ugly.
Still tradable, but it's much more harder than trading
Like August starts
September.
and then goes
Yeah.
down a little bit and then just consolidates till now.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be like that for the rest of this August. I'm probably not gonna trade from Wednesday, but potentially from Thursday. I'm not gonna trade for like a week.
Why though? Are you?
I'm gonna have no, it's more of like I'm having my friend is coming from
Ah, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Lithuania to here, and
It's
I think
okay.
it's a good mental break as well. Plus, we're in August. August is a
Yeah.
shit month in general for me so far. Ever since August started, I've had like losing streaks and stuff. And yeah, I mean, I'm kind of just I don't know, I'm just chilling right now. Not
Even
really trying to.
ICT said if you like want to go on a vacation, go in August.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I don't know. I'll see what happens. I'm not gonna force a lot of trades this month because I mean, I don't know.
Hmm.
It's just kind of unpredictable what we're doing right now.
So wait, how are you? How much are you in drawdown on your account?
Yeah, I'm 3% in drawdown.
Okay.
Just because of this month. Like last month, I was up actually.
Yeah, I remember you saying that.
Yeah, I was up last month. End of last month, I was up, and then ever since August, I've been just losing. That's weird. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I guess it's just the market conditions and stuff.
Yeah,
August might not be the best month to trade, especially for beginners like me. But yeah, I mean,
it's been choppy. Yeah, that's true.
yeah,
But
it's been very choppy, very.
I was basically the whole week I was break even basically, and then Friday, I made a little profit 1% on the account, and then I.
Yeah, I could have. I mean, I could have definitely lost less this month, but I just because I could have came out of my positions as break even, as you said. But I don't know. I just didn't. I didn't want to like because maybe if I come out break even, what if it hits my TP? I wasn't really trying to like, get my
Mhm.
emotions in the way. So I just kind of left all of my trades there, and I just didn't really exit anything at break even. It's either hit stop loss or TP, or partials. But
You can pull out of it, man. I'm in drawdown on my 500k live account. Well, you can't really put out because it's a
yeah, you
funded
can easily
challenge,
do it.
right?
Yeah, you can easily do it.
I just got that account too. Pretty annoying. Wait, Chris, are you on like a personal with liquid funds, or are you doing a challenge?
Definitely a challenge. I mean, there's no way. 500. How much is that? That 50K?
That's
Oh, that's
500k.
wait, that's 500K? What the hell? No, that's 50K, I think. I think that's
There
not 500.
is. Oh yeah, it's 50k.
Five,
I see. I see. It's 4 zeros. It's 50k.
Yeah. Yeah, Chris, just I recommend you don't trade a lot this month. Take setups that you think, I don't know, maybe like two, three setups a week.
Prop life
It
funded
shouldn't,
50k. Oh yeah, it's prop from
it's
account
a
just
lot.
like us.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna probably not take a lot of trades this August. It's been a bad start of these couple weeks. It's been very, very bad.
Yeah,
But
well,
it's fine.
9:30 will be really nice right now. I'm just gonna wait for 9:30 because it's just not doing anything at the moment. Since 8:30 we're just consolidating.
Yeah. I'm just keeping an eye on dollar because oh, okay, now we hit 50% dollar the weekly, and we're
Yeah.
rejecting from it.
But I'm really happy about Friday. It was really obvious. It's not like that every day, which is unfortunate, but
Yeah, Friday was really, really nice, especially for
yeah, I
like
made I made a mistake with my stop loss because otherwise the first trade would be winner as well. I just screwed up, but it's fine.
yeah, Friday was nice. I didn't Thursday I missed two entries that would have been a W, but then
Mhm.
Friday I just made 0.5%.
Yeah,
But
it's cool. It's nice.
yeah, but yes, Friday, yeah, we respected my analysis really, really well. Like the fair value gap, the 50% of that gap just kept getting respected on a 5 minute, 15 minute was even better. You just never saw a close below the 50% and you just kept respecting. It did consolidate from like around 11 all the way to like 1, which was a bit of an ugly day, but for small trades, like I don't know, I don't know. Took an SPX to like 5 to 10 handles, which was very doable yesterday. I
Mhm.
mean Friday.
Yeah.
Well, it was fine. I did take an entry, but I took a 1 to 3 off trade. I was out because I didn't wanna. I mean, it went lower. I think I did. Oh, it was high. I can't remember which one I took. Was either long or short. But yeah,
Yeah, and I
9:30 is gonna open up. We'll see how that goes. What's Euro doing? Euro on the weekly, it's still good, honestly.
yeah.
Still looking bullish.
I
We're
was
we're s- we're
until
cu-
until
currently trading.
until that low on the weekly. I was very bearish. I was expecting London to go lower. I mean to form a Judah swing, which it did, but it was very nice Judah swing actually.
Mm.
It was
Yeah,
very
I
nice.
still think it's gonna be the same as dollar. If you look on a weekly, we might see a retracement deeper into this like this consolidation block we have. It's sort of like it's like an order block, but it's not really order block.
Yeah,
Yeah, but yeah, we can potentially see a 50% of that wick hit, or we could potentially go lower into the weekly fair value gap below the little consolidation. But on the daily, it still looks nice. We still have liquidity. We're still in the weekly gap. Could potentially just go up back. But I mean, if dollar is gonna go for the daily liquidity, so is
I
so
think
is the
I think it's gonna
euro.
go,
Yeah, I mean probably.
but we could see a retracement anytime soon with dollar and then EU
Yeah, because I
retracing
have
as well.
my yeah. I mean EU could definitely retrace because we've been. I mean, even London session was very big today. I don't know what the hell happened there. 100 handles for Nasdaq, or more than that actually.
Well, SPX had an obvious run for like Friday, equal highs and stuff.
155 handles in London. Crazy.
155. Oh, that's a lot for Nasdaq.
Yeah, especially London session. I just don't want to see slow volatility. I mean, slow markets on New York because if it's a slow market for New York, I'm not gonna trade it. Honestly, probably gonna stay out. Yeah, but we've just been consolidating. Our place is demo trade to the upside, but I don't know, it's just I don't really think we're gonna go up. I mean, we're gonna go up, I think, for Kajura, but I don't think we're gonna fully reverse to the upside. I mean, I
Hmm.
don't really want to see that. I want to see SPX go deeper into that order block, and then Nasdaq sweep buy side on the daily, or 4 hour chart or whatever.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's my plan. I don't know. Just have to wait, I guess. But yeah, this week I'm just gonna chill out a little bit, trade a bit less.
It just shows that when there's no news, it's very slow and choppy. But
Yeah.
where there is news, it is really good.
Wait. ICT tweeted basically said like he said woke up to more requests for interviews with me as the guest.
Oh, I saw that.
Folks,
Yeah.
if you have not recognized where I'm headed or where I'm heading, I will make it clear for you. I want to diminish in importance and attention. So yeah, he's yeah, November 2023 gone. Damn, it's like we're gonna be on our own now. No ICT. But all the
Yeah.
content's gonna be there for us anyway.
I saw someone put up a link to ICT private mentorship
Yeah.
on Twitter.
Yeah,
Like to
I saw something like that as well.
like 2021, 2022.
But it's on his YouTube channel, so I don't really know what's the point.
No, the private mentorship.
Isn't his private mentorship like 2016 on his YouTube anyway?
Yeah, but
So,
someone put up the link for 2021 private YouTube mentorship.
hmm.
In
I mean,
2022 private mentorship. And
I don't really need it probably.
yeah, me neither, but
I have enough to work with right now. I got so much I need to still watch and learn. I need to catch up with the whole 2023 mentorship, but it has like 80 videos.
yeah, but they're not as long as 2022, which is
Yeah, I guess.
it's okay to, but the reviews can take a lot of time, especially the ones that were streamed live.
I like the reviews, honestly. The reviews are probably my favorite.
Hmm.
It's actually like talks about markets and what he's anticipating. And then if you go on the next week's review, you can see if he was right or wrong, you know. That makes sense.
What are the best ICT influencers?
ICT
Um,
himself.
ICT himself.
Yeah, like
I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't really. I believe it's like. I think it's like Paladin or something. Yeah, it's Paladin because it's like really good. Um, he has a YouTube channel as well. I believe. Uh, that's what you meant, but I don't know about others. I only know about Paladin because I watched the interview with him from ICT's YouTube channel.
okay. Yeah, we're seeing just like shallow runs on the 5 minute for Nasdaq and
Ah,
SPX, but like the wicks are just so ugly. I don't know. I don't like
it's
this.
ugly.
It's a slow movement down. But I want to see a price higher so I can get a good price to sell.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for 9:30.
Yeah, dollar's
Nothing
going up
else.
higher. Dollar's
It's
been actually bullish. It's weird for like the past like for the past one, two, three, like four. The past month it's just been going up.
it's gonna reach the thingy.
I think dollar is so bullish. like for the monthly chart.
I mean, there's some news on Wednesday. What is there's FOMC? Yeah, there's FOMC.
Look at the monthly chart for the dollar with the fib with the
Let's see.
50%. We're so bullish, I think.
1 month.
We're so bullish, I think. We've been having a rough time in 2023.
Yeah, it's been consolidating to be honest. Only
Yeah.
consolidation on 2023.
But we have July. We went into the gap. We filled it pretty much to the tick. We left a little bit unopened. And that is in the discount. And we went up back. We swept the liquidity as well. There's like a lot of relative equal lows.
Mhm.
And now we're going up. I think dollar can go real high. Which is not necessarily bad because we could see a top in the market. I'm not trying to predict a top, but a top in the market for the indices.
Mhm.
But anything can happen. I mean, dollar is still weak, in my opinion, on the daily. Has to like break a very significant high and close above it for me to actually think we're gonna go up higher. Like the May high.
We're really going to the rejection block right now.
Yeah, probably gonna sweep it today. Or just hit it at least.
Excuse me. Yep. GBP, dollar, EU, all going down. Nasdaq looks really nice. I don't know, if we maybe get a Judas swing below the opening price and sweep that low for previous day, I don't know. This could be a really nice long for Nasdaq. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know. I don't know because for me right now, my bias is just, I don't know, it's just neutral once more. Because like I just can't really like
Oh,
get
oh,
anything.
I enjoy what are best ICT confluences. I read influencers. I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
yeah,
I
confluence.
read it wrong.
Oh, there's a lot.
I'm sorry. Confluences? I don't know what you mean by confluence. I mean, you need a model, and confluences are basically, I don't know, OT, SMT, just like Chris said, break a block or block. Those are very good confluences, and fair value gap, discount, premium levels.
And probably the most important one, multi-time frame analysis.
Hmm.
Weekly, from monthly, weekly, daily, up until, and keep them on your chart. Like if you see an order block on the weekly chart, label it and keep it for your hourly chart, your 15 minute. So then you can see what price does. Because on the weekly chart, you might see it, tap it, that's it. But if you go drop on lower time frames, you're gonna like see, oh yeah, like let's say on the 15 minute, it tapped it, what happened after, market structure shift potentially go lower. Like you definitely wanna mark those up. That's what I have, that's what I started doing. It's been working really well actually. Yeah. Probably my most favorite confluence. Not even a confluence, it's just like you're just using more markets, like
Hmm.
more higher time frames to actually find yourself PD arrays to target or take entries from, etc. But yeah, I don't know. Slow day. I wasn't even gonna plan trading today. It's a Monday.
Yeah.
Hate Mondays, man. It's too slow for me. I'm not used to it. Wait, what news are there this week? Actually, I want to check. I haven't checked this whole week's news. Mm, damn.
We're going lower. That's good to see. Pre 930. Judo swing to
Mm,
the downside would be really nice, especially Nasdaq.
Tomorrow,
It's closer.
yeah, we have 8:30 news tomorrow. Free red folders. Then USD news on Wednesday. FOMC meeting minutes. That's not gonna be that. It's whatever. Yeah, we have news this week, but it's not nothing too crazy, you know.
Yeah, it's not. It's FOMC, but it's in PM session.
Yeah, and it's not even it's just meeting minutes. It's just a meeting.
Yeah,
It's not gonna be
it's not a
nothing
state. Yeah, it's
crazy.
not a statement. So,
Yeah, like Fed like interest rates. If it was
but
that,
it's
it'll be
it's
a different
still.
story.
Yeah, it's probably not gonna be much, to be honest. So only new. So the Tuesday and Thursday may be the best days for trading because the
Yeah.
volatility is gonna come in those
I will.
days.
All right. So for Nasdaq, we're coming into the daily discount wick consequent encouragement once more. We respected it from on Friday, and we've respected it pretty much Sunday as well into Monday coming in. We closed a little bit below it, but th- we went above it. It doesn't matter. Like
Mhm.
so, I'm seeing how we're gonna react from that. Because plus 930 is in 5 minutes. We'll see.
Wait, 8:30 London.
I'd like to see a price a run up higher. I don't know why. It looks nice. We have that inversion gap. I'm gonna have drawn on my chart. If you can refine it even better with another one, which would be the Reaper inversion gap, the Reaper fair value gap. I think that's the Reaper because we broke it once,
Which one?
twice. If you look at the 1 hour for Nasdaq,
Yep.
if you look at the Sunday 13th, yeah.
Mhm.
So Sunday 9 p.m., 9 p.m.
Sunday
8 p.m., 9 p.m., and then 10 p.m. The three consecutive
9
candles
p.m.
to the
Yeah.
downside. Would that be a replay then? Because look,
I don't
we broke it
know.
once, twice, potentially. I swear that was the reaper for.
I'd say it is a Reaper.
Because we need. What else do we need for the reaper? Was it a liquidity run as well? Because
Huh?
I haven't watched the reaper, but I wanna learn more about it. I see he's gonna talk about it in his books though. Everything in his books, all the stuff he has to share,
Mhm.
pretty much. So I'm gonna wait for that, you know. But yeah, I don't know. It might not be, but it's still an inversion gap. It doesn't matter. It's a more refined one instead of
Well,
having
well, I
a
never
big
like
one.
look at Reaper specifically, so I don't really know that much about
Yeah,
it. It's
it's
not.
something to do with it's something with a break. I think.
Yeah, it's a fair value gap and a breaker, basically.
Yeah, but I think the break the fair value gap has to be disrespected more than once or like more than twice
Mhm.
for it to actually act as a reaper.
Okay, so 9:30 in 4 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, dollar's just going up higher.
I'd like to see Nasdaq Judah sink to the downside right now.
Yeah, maybe we could see that. Oh, I got so much stuff on my chart, man. Annoying. We didn't hit the daily discount wick, but we were close to it. Now we're kind of going up on the 5 minute. But SPX is, I don't know.
Yeah, it's been.
Nasdaq is better, I think. I feel
Yeah,
like.
Nasdaq looks better for me as well.
And SPX is it's moving a bit slow, like more slower than Nasdaq, which is obviously expected, but it's a Monday as well, so.
Yeah.
Did ICT tweet anything else? Nope. Probably gonna do something later. Looking for longs right now would probably be nice if we're gonna do this swing up.
Mm. I want to see price go lower, below the opening on Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I agree, it looks better, so I might trade Nasdaq today. But I want to see sweep and then Judas below the midnight opening price for
Yeah, I
longs.
mean, we've been going down consecutively from 7 a.m. pretty much, so going probably, we could go down more, but considering we're still above midnight open, which makes sense. But I want to see a return into the 1 hour gap. I'll look for longs if we go below and we sweep some significant liquidity.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, 9:30 open.
Going lower, I want to see that liquidity taken and then displacement.
Yeah, the 14,958 would be nice to be taken up. Let me check dollar, how it reacted. But we might go up higher. Honestly, either way, I wouldn't mind because I'll still find an entry. Because my bias is kind of neutral today. I don't know. SPX is like my only like confluence right now for my bias because for Nasdaq bias
Hmm.
because we're still kind of because SPX is a little bit behind and yeah, Nasdaq is just is doing his own thing, which is going. Wait, hold up, you're back.
We're going lower, I want to see the low taken. If I see that's going to be really, really nice for longs, I'll take an entry any day. We're going lower, that's a really good sign. If I see a setup, I will enter and execute. I just want to see a perfect opportunity. And we're going really, really low right now. It's really nice to see. Excuse me for the cough, but yeah, we hit the rejection block. This is where we could stop, but I just want to see a little bit more lower before going
What's
long.
happening? Okay, we're retracing now. We went below the
Yeah,
midnight.
we went below the midnight, but I still wanna
We might.
see the low. I still wanna see the low taken, the previous day's low. It's not really.
Oh, which one? Fridays or on the
Yeah,
Sundays?
I mean Sundays.
Oh yeah, Sundays. Yeah, I mean, if we don't go there, we're probably gonna go up higher, get the inversion gap, and then potentially go for an after that.
Hmm.
Because right now, I mean, I don't know. This opening's so weak, especially like not even Nasdaq. Like, I mean, okay, never mind. SPX looks even worse, I think. Yeah, taking anything today would just be right now would be very, very bad.
I want to see take the low first, then I'll be confident, right? Because everything will be aligned. Even if you took look at the weekly, the what is the I think I saw something yesterday. No,
Yeah, but
or it was
currently,
yeah, it was on SPX. The low? No. Wait, I'm confused a little bit. I saw something aligning, but I'm not sure.
for what, Nasdaq? Or
No, I don't remember. Maybe it was for EU, but I don't know. Oh yeah, I saw
I
that low.
don't.
Oh yeah, for EU, I saw in the weekly. I saw the low from Monday 30, like the low, right? Yeah, right. The weekly low aligning with the
Mm-hmm.
50% of the or block. So if we're gonna go higher, we're gonna at least take reach into the 50%. That's why I was very confident we're gonna go lower, which we did. So now we could go for the low, equal lows at
Yeah,
here,
maybe.
and this could be the draw.
I mean, Nasdaq is respecting the daily discount wick so far. It's quite well actually.
Mhm.
Hourly. I just want to see how the hourly closes in 25 minutes, pretty much. 15 minute. I just don't. I don't know, man. I don't really want to see a close below. But if we do, it happens.
I want to see a Judah swing below it, below the low, because I believe the low is below the wick, right, on Nasdaq. Let's see the daily discount wick. Yeah, I see. It's the
Yeah, I mean,
respecting the. It's going below, back below, but yeah, if we sweep the liquidity and we respect it on the 15 minute, not closing below it, that could be very nice.
yeah, I mean, we'll see, we'll see. Let's look at the 15 minute for now.
Yeah.
Wait, the 5 minute, no, it didn't close below, so, I mean, I'm gonna keep an eye on 15 minute. 5 minute looks ugly anyway. Plus, there is another wick, the low you're talking about on Sunday. Hold on, we'll be right back in a few minutes.
Yeah. KD 976M. I think Friday low has been taken out already. Yeah, it has been taken out. That's why I'm looking for Sunday low. I'm looking for Sunday's low, not Friday's low. Uh, the thingy, and then it will form 1, 2, 3 in the inspection if we do, but we're rejecting it really hard. The current price is a retracement going up. Nasdaq will return into a breaker if those lows are taken. Um, I don't, I don't really think so. But even if this would be a breaker, I would target a something above the equilibrium, which would be aligning with the breaker. It would not be that high. So we see displacement.
Uh,
Yeah, we're seeing displacement on Nasdaq, but
yeah, I saw
SPX
that.
SPX is still not
Can you check?
Reacting.
We missed the. Yeah,
I'll just stay out for now.
yeah. I'm
I don't really.
probably. Yeah. I mean,
I
I want to take longs. Longs not don't look
Yeah,
bad for me.
longs are really good, but I would wanna see the
Yeah, I mean,
yeah, the setup is really nice. Come on,
I'll see. Maybe I can work. I can see whatever I can take.
the setup is really nice that Fear Valley get with displacement. Like we had a consolidation and now it's visible displacement to the upside, and
Yeah, I'll just maybe get it ready just in
we
case.
went below midnight. Ah,
But my TP would be. I mean, my stop loss would be quite
yeah, I'll
quite a
probably
different,
enter on
actually.
the 1 minute
Yeah,
Fear Valley
yeah,
gap,
I'd enter on the 1 minute, the lowest gap.
and then the target would be the
Uh,
50%.
I was anticipating something like that.
It's 2.6. Not bad,
It's
not
like
bad to be honest.
Nasdaq loves to do stuff like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna
I
have
opened my
my
MetaTrader,
entry.
but no, I'm not gonna
Yeah,
enter the trade.
yeah, I'll place my entry on the second gap. If we get
It
it, we get it.
it would be it would be around like 2.5 R for me. I
Yeah,
would
for me,
be
it's like I wanted to.
I would just be targeting the 50% to be honest. Nothing too crazy,
I mean, I did think
but
maybe I could even just go for much higher R. Like 1 to 3, maybe 1 to
yeah,
2.5.
but I suggest you just take partials, because um
Yeah,
because it can really turn around, especially right and when it's August. You really
yeah,
well,
yeah, yeah.
we're going up, so we
I'm probably not even gonna get tagged in. So I'll just probably look for shorts when we hit because we're trading. We're gonna. I mean,
so
15 minute. If you look at I mean, I don't know if you have the 1 hour fair value inversion gap drawn, but
nah, I
for me,
don't.
we already went inside it. We'll see how we react. Plus, there's more gaps in the price run from 8 a.m.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a nice trade. No setup to be fair. No entry.
No, no entry, but right now the higher
Yeah,
fair value gap would be valid because we are already
yeah,
traded. And the 2 minute fair
yeah. We're
value
probably
gap would
yeah,
also be better, but it would just give 1 to 1. Now, I don't know
yeah.
if
I'm not
that's
gonna take it.
enough, but I don't know.
1 to 1 is enough, but I don't want to enter when we're already far off from the midnight open. Because my entry would have been the first fair value gap on the 1 minute, which would be somewhat close to the midnight open. Plus, if you look at the 3 minute, it's just perfect, man. The daily discount wick, consequent encouragement, perfectly
Mm.
aligns. Like, oh, it's just
Yeah,
you
the
couldn't get
two
it.
the 2 minute entry would be valid as well. That would give you 1 to 1. So right, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna cancel my order because I don't think we're gonna go up down there to fill that. Probably just gonna keep going up higher, but there's no point entering for me. I'll enter like at such a bad price. So yeah, I'm
Mhm.
gonna just cancel this. But yeah, that was nice actually,
Nice setup from
just like
Nasdaq
I
without an entry.
expected.
The 3 minute fair value gap. No, the 3 minute is not valid. The 2 minute looks the best right now, and the 5 minute also, but it doesn't have the gap that 2 minute has. It has the same entry, but the 2 minute gap is valid.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna wait for some shorts because shorts are gonna look really good today. We have so much liquidity. This is the Judas to the upside. Plus, we traded into the.
Mhm.
From this high to the low. Yep. This was a nice. Yeah, shorts could come in anytime soon because the 9:30 open went up to the 50% into a gap. We'll see how the 50-minute closes. If it closes out of the inversion gap, then I'm really, really positive we're gonna go lower. Because my bias is still lower for the day. Because dollar is just going up higher. Dollar has Dollar's just not having any.
Mhm.
It's just not having any. It's just running straight and straight up. So I think that liquidity will get hunted today.
EU's not doing much neither.
Yeah, it's probably just going down. Yeah, just like dollar's going up.
The silver
Dollar's going up.
bullet could be handy to the upside. Like how we're
Hmm.
reacting. I have to look at it daily, but the silver bullet to the upside is looking very nice at the moment.
Yeah, I'm just gonna see what happens.
Me too, yeah.
15-minute candle close is gonna be important. There is an order block as well on the 15-minute. Well, probably get just disrespected.
We broke structure in the 60-minute, which means we're going higher. Let's see, 1H. We broke.
Or
Yeah,
what?
we did
Listen.
break structure, but it is very like ugly. The fair value gap
I
got
mean, if yeah, I mean,
disrespected very. But yeah, Reinvest and Broker Week. I, for me personally, I think we're going higher on Silver Bullet as well. But I need to do a little bit more analysis on the SPX just to see where we actually going for the Silver
the
Bullet.
only reason why I don't think we're gonna go higher as what's it called as the person said, is because just look at the last week's price action. On the 1 hour, we kept breaking structure, pretty much. We kept breaking structure, but we just never went up higher. Because we're in just some consolidation type of market. It's ugly, honestly.
But yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see what happens because if we come to the equilibrium, it's gonna be a very very low like probability entry from this point. But I will see how you react in the future. If we respect the OT, we need to see that as well. Nothing for now. SPX as well. It's just too rangy.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we filled a 15-minute gap to the tip pretty much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we did, but
Let me see how the 5-minute look. Let me draw that gap. My charts are so ugly recently. I've just have so much stuff drawn. Yeah, we're having a nice rejection.
yeah, very nice rejection, but still. Coming into the gap now on the 2 minute.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that retracement from the 15-minute gap. Perfect. Perfection. Yeah, I'm gonna look shorts now. Oh, this gap. We'll see how the 1 minute closes.
Oh yeah, it's
I'm
gonna
probably
be
gonna be.
interesting.
There's a breaker as well, actually. Wow, this entry would be very good.
Where? on the for the
1 minute
long or short?
Nasdaq short.
Short, yeah.
Finally seeing things.
I still think we can go higher based on the Judah swing we had.
Probably gonna make. How do we close in the 1 minute?
I mean, we are rejecting the 2 minute fair value gap right now, which is a good sign for longs.
What? Why is this not working?
Oh, SPX is going lower as well. It's having much better displacement than Nasdaq. Nasdaq doesn't have too much. One or two candles, one or two more candles for short, Mitchell. Yeah, I mean, we definitely could reach liquidity, but I still wouldn't enter short since it's not the silver bullet hour. But yeah, that would be my entry for Nasdaq.
Yeah,
I just wouldn't
I'll place
enter
my limit order. We'll see how it
because
goes. We'll see if
the
we get
entry is
tapped.
like only 1 to 1, so I wouldn't enter long here anyways. But the trade would be like this.
Yeah, we'll see. Let me see if I can get tagged into this trade. But I probably won't. Maybe. I don't know. It's fine. I can. I don't know. This setup looks really nice. The 15-minute played out perfectly, pretty much. But the five minute was even more precise for me. There's an inversion gap. Like there's a lot of. I mean, not inversion, but there is there is a lot of confluences for me to go short right here. My stop loss is above the high, above the 15-minute gap. We'll see.
Yep.
For me, nice trade. If I lose, I lose. Doesn't matter.
Wait, so did you get tagged in?
No, I'm about to. I think it's like very, very. Yeah, I got tagged in now. Yeah, I'm in. See see how this plays out.
Patience is key for. Yeah, it is.
You get stopped out. We get stopped out. Simple as that. But don't overcomplicate my stuff. So a market structure shift point.
I want to see go lower. Everything.
I mean, SPX looks real nice as well.
Yeah, SPX looks better for shorts. Looked better. Right now we have a little displacement to
We're
the
just going
upside.
up higher. We're gonna get stuffed out. Like, what are these stops out? Like, it's so quick. I got
Yeah,
stuffed out.
I would hit my
Like,
take.
what?
Right now, I would hit my take profit soon.
Well, I'm not gonna trade today. I'm just trying to see what actually happens next. Because this trade was nice. Actually, what went wrong?
We have an ore block.
Like, from what I saw, it was nice. Because if you look at the 50-minute had nice rejection on the 5 minute. My entry on the 1 minute, it was a breaker.
Yeah, well,
Mm,
I didn't enter the trade, but I would probably get a win of 1 hour right here. It's okay. I'll wait for the
that's
silver
fine.
bullet. It's gonna be more interesting. I'm just gonna see for SPX what is our framework. So there was no MSS for new week opening gap, 15-minute. So there is some new week opening gap draw to the upside for SPX, but we can first. I'm gonna go to the daily. So daily we have an ore block. It's kind of big, so we could see a reaction.
Yeah, I think I got the order flow maybe wrong. I don't know what happened.
We have a bearish order block right here. So bearish, and we 2 pixels, bullish, 2 pixels. Okay, so nothing much. We're just trading inside. So this is our long-term low right here. Just doing. Where's the thingy? Oh,
Or we're just gonna go for higher prices. That's weird. Dollar's just
long-term
going
low
up.
with Nasdaq 5. I would have hit my take profit.
You
Yeah,
would, or
nah, it will go higher and then hit my take profit eventually, but it would be a quick 1-to-1 for me, would put me a little over 2% in profit. I just didn't enter because I didn't have the low swept, which I would want to see, but it's still okay.
I mean, if we're going up higher, then that means we're gonna go for buy side, right?
Mm,
Obvious.
I'm not sure.
We have a lot of relative equal.
You have a long-term high, and then where's the daily imbalance? Daily imbalance is just join out from here to here. So you're gonna trade the silver bullet, or
Yeah, I'm probably gonna look for a silver bullet maybe soon. Yeah, go to the upside maybe.
so we have a long-term low, and then on the 1 hour
So I
we
mean,
have,
we're currently maybe looking to go trade down into an imbalance.
yeah, we have an intermediate term low. So order flow is bullish for SPX in my opinion, and then
Yeah, we're looking real nice into setups right now even.
we have order block
Long.
and respecting here the open. Yeah, the order flow is definitely bullish for SPX. So I might enter long, and then the joint liquidity is gonna be 50% from here to here. 15-minute, it's gonna be this imbalance on the 15-minute with relative equal highs. So silver bullet joint liquidity.
Yeah, I mean, I placed my limit order. Let me see if
Um,
go up
are you
to
guys
one
bearish
minute.
today for NAS 100? Because I am. I'm not really bearish. I'm more bullish than I'm not. I don't have a bias for Nasdaq, but I would
Yeah.
go long. Yeah, still wouldn't hit my take pro. Still didn't like missed it, but I didn't enter anyway. So yeah, the order flow is definitely bullish for SPX. That's no question. But I want to see more. I want to see a displacement right now. So uh yeah, displacement would be very nice to see, and then enter in the silver bullet hour, which would be perfect. EU formed a 5-minute high right now, which if it's broken on the 5-minute, I still don't know about the 5-minute on the EU, but not sure. But yeah, so we have a long-term low, intermediate term low, another, and then we have 1 hour. It filled
Yeah,
an
I entered
imbalance.
long. I entered long. Stop was below the second fair value gap on the 1 minute.
Where did you enter?
I entered in the gap, so it was about
On Nasdaq or
50,
IC?
yeah, 115,043.
Oh, I see. And where's your stop loss?
Stop loss is at 15,018. I put it below the second gap, the little small gap we have. So because I don't think if we're order flow is bullish,
Yeah, I see. And the
we, we we
take.
wouldn't we wouldn't have to come back.
Yeah, SPX looking really bullish right now. It looks very nice. We have a long-term low, intermediate term low reaching into the order block, intermediate term low reaching into the order block.
Yeah.
I'm really
I try to get for
expecting.
1 to 2. Try
Yeah,
to get a 1 to 2 maybe,
and then well,
or just
if
take
you,
partials.
yeah, I mean if you get a 1 to 2, it's you probably shouldn't.
Yeah.
I mean, are you gonna trade then the silver bullet as well, or are you gonna?
I mean, this is my sort of my silver bullet entry. I
Yeah,
know it's
yeah,
a few
kinda.
minutes of behind, but yeah, this will be my silver bullet trade. That's it, pretty much.
1 minute.
Because I mean, I did see ICT say something about it. You can enter. He did enter before, like a few minutes before the silver bullet hour.
Who?
I did see ICT enter before the silver bullet hour
What? I wait. Where? I
on
don't
one of
think.
his videos.
Which one?
His like one of his live executions before us. It was like ages ago.
Oh wait. So on Twitter or?
Yeah, I think, but it was like I don't know 6 months ago maybe. I don't know less. Because the first thing I saw by ICT is the silver bullet, so I looked into the silver bullet, but
Mm,
then I watched the 2022. But it was like 1 or 2 minutes, pretty much
let's
below.
see. I
But it's
have.
ICT, you know. This guy probably, I don't
Yeah.
know. He probably knows what he's doing anyway, so it doesn't matter. I
I'm
mean, we'll
looking
see. The
for
volatility
the.
will pick up at 10 once more, potentially to the upside. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm looking for bullish silver bullet right now because of
yeah, that's
the
what
order flow we're seeing. Is the silver bullet is, in my opinion, today is very obvious as well. I just don't. I just, in my opinion, it's very obvious that it's going to be to the upside. But
yeah,
I can be wrong. But still, I personally think it's very obvious.
yeah, it looks nice. 5 minute looks good. We have like some sort of immediate rebalance stuff. But we'll see. We'll see how it treats us.
So he did have a kind of displacement, but I want to see a bit another push, and then in that push. So what is the range? It's 10 handles ish, maybe we'll see something. But I want
Or
to
Nasdaq or SPX.
for SPX.
SPX is just the opening was weird for SPX. It's weak.
Yeah, it does look weak. Yeah, I agree, but I think the silver bullet is still going to be.
I just hope we don't start trading sideways.
Yeah, me neither. We have all block, 15
I want to
minute,
see a break of the
5
high.
minute.
So right now we have a lot of relative equal
If you see a fair
lows
value
on one
gap,
minute.
I'll enter. Even without a break of structure, I enter. I don't really need a break of structure. All I need is a fair value gap, and
Yeah,
this could give me indication this fair value gap is going to be a breakaway gap. So I can be more confident. I'm not going to play stop loss there, but I'm going to just be more confident with my trade. But yeah, I think we're going to go higher right now,
yeah, that's what I
especially
think
how
as
we
well.
form those intermediate term low right here into the order block, which is a potential point of reversal. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see. I'm excited, even if I don't get a winning trade, it looked, in my opinion, it looks very obvious. But so I would take it anyways. I'm gonna open my MetaTrader right now, and we'll see. So trade,
Yeah, trade's looking
uh,
decent so far.
yeah, displacement. I just hope we do get a, yeah, it is a range. I just hope the fair value gap isn't too high.
And I just want to see a break of the high because I don't want this to be a trading range, little consolidation block. Let me
So
just
guys,
keep trading.
this is my silver bullet right here. Potential silver bullet. I'll just target 5 handles. I don't know. I'll target the 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. 5 minute got nice Sibi, so I'll just target this.
SPX looks way better right now
Yeah, I'll
than
target this
Nasdaq
Sibi, and we'll see.
because we have some sort of we have like a
Still nothing. Just a
yeah
wick
we're just I don't know. This looks so bad.
for what?
I don't know. This wick just ruined it. It was
Yeah,
nice. It looked real good for
it
entries
looked
and stuff.
nice. Yeah, that's true. Just wanna get this to 10. Come on.
Yeah, the 3 minute looks real bad.
Come on,
It
king.
looks we just
Okay,
like a
nice.
candle. But I think my entry is quite good. So even if I'm wrong,
It looks okay.
it'll be fine.
We just need to wait for Silver Bullet to play out a little more, but
Yeah, yeah,
it's
yeah,
only a
of
start of the
course.
session. I think it's gonna be okay.
Yo, I mean, I'm not saying we're not gonna go up. I think we are going up,
Yeah, me too.
considering we just. But who knows?
My take profit will be at the Sibi on the 5 minute right here. So five
Or
handles.
SPX.
Yeah, at the Sibi.
What the 447 0. The one.
446.8.
Oh yeah, you're going for 1-to-1.
Yeah, 1-to-1 or five handles depends. So I'll target this Sibi or the five handles. Five handles minimum. That's for sure.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
I just want to see how we react. Like the order block has been respected for now. So
Oh, which one? Or the five
wait,
minute, three
ICT
minute. ICT tweets some
nine
stuff out.
947 947 FVG notes that. Ooh,
It's the
ICT
inversion
just
gap.
get yeah. That could be an entry to be honest right now. Entry from here 20 point stop loss and just target the 1-to-1. That could be an easy trade alerted by ICT.
Yup.
Note the buy side at 1.5. Oh, it's different, but whatever. Yeah, so if I entered right there, that would have been my take profit.
Okay, we broke the high for Nasdaq, which is really, really good. Now I'm really expecting higher prices on the one
Yeah,
minute.
so now I would have hit my 1-to-1. The silver bullet is also forming, so I'll enter at this Fair Valley gap. I just want to see it open. So right here, we closed it. We closed it. Come on, come on.
Okay, what's happening here? Oh, we closed the gap.
Come on.
Oh.
Give me something. Give me something. It's bad. If SPX had this gap still open, this would have been really good. But unfortunately, it's not open.
Yeah.
Oh my god, wait. No. Wait 1 sec. So if I enter at the, let's say, Fair Valley gap, stop loss, going from 1 to 2, maybe, yeah, Fair Valley gap, maybe if I enter, that's like 10 points. I mean, oh, come on. Yeah, the buy say, I'll still enter here. The silver bullet. 2 minute. How's the 2 minute being? Come on. I'll still enter right here. Take profit. Yeah, I wanna see. I guess there's no Fair Valley gap today. I mean, the perfect scenario would be if there would be a Fair Valley gap in here, but there's none. 0. Okay, Kobe, hello, how are you? I'm very good, Kobe. Welcome to the stream. EU trade was on the 1 minute. Yeah, maybe. I don't even trade EU, but I was just looking. And my joint liquidity, let's see. I mean, it could be this. We also have this high, so I'm not specific to here, but I don't know if I'll take AM silver bullet right now. I don't think there's a trade, so mhm. Let's see.
2 hits, I'll be break even on the day. I'll just call it a day.
Wait, it's lagging. Why? I have to restart. Come on, if we close this. Okay, now. Wait, what is my history? We closed it again. I might not enter, to be honest, right now. We just... Okay, maybe 5 minute, 3 minute. 3 minute looks okay as well. Three minute doesn't look too bad. Yeah, could be. Antonio, you said you think it's well. I don't know. Maybe EU, but I'm not focusing on EU at the moment. Uh, mhm. Yeah, we do have a 3 minute. I don't think I'll enter anymore. For now, it's just the yeah, the displacement. Like the perfect entry would be probably there was some displacement. So from this Fear Valley gap, you could say like that. It would give you some handles. 951. Yeah, I see. Yeah, maybe there was a silver bullet entry right here. Like you see how we're respecting the low 50%. Boom, boom, boom. 10 entry. Let it run. Okay, so basically the draw liquidity for this silver bullet was correct. The silver bullet was correct, but I just didn't Yeah, we did correct thing identifying drawn liquidity. You just didn't, you know.
Like even like my bias was bullish. I mean, both of our bias I mean bearish, right? I mean, we were expecting to see prices lower,
I mean,
considering dollar was going up.
I'm
Now it's
really,
rejecting.
I'm really
Uh,
kinda, I'm not happy about this because we didn't get any fair value gap, which is kind of sad. But we did have a
exactly.
huge displacement here and a fair value gap, so this could be an entry right here. But I missed
For
it
what time
for
frame?
SPX 1 minute. This could be a decent entry, as I said, targeting this civi.
What
So it could give
which
me
one? Which
1%
gap?
profit would be one. Yeah,
What the 951 gap?
what?
Which gap are you talking about for the silver
The
bullet?
951 on
Yeah,
SPX.
951 looked nice. It
Yeah,
was yeah, you would have got entered around that.
yeah, maybe it was, but I'll have to enter at the 10 a after 10 a.m. So I would enter there, and then fair
Yeah.
value gap. We did have displacement. 2 Dow Jones liquidity was correct. So yeah, it was a good trade, but I just didn't
Yeah,
take it.
we're gonna sweep pretty much buy
It's
side
okay.
for Nasdaq now.
I mean, yeah,
Yeah, it's
your
fine,
trade
man.
would
Don't
be,
worry.
it would play out. To be honest, it would tap our. I wouldn't. Nah, no, it wouldn't tap our 5 minute, but maybe.
Yeah, it's just ugly price action. What can I say? Like, he's
Yeah,
not
I
leaving no
agree.
gaps.
I
It's like the
agree.
worst outcome. Monday and it's August. Like what? You can't get any shittier than
I mean,
that.
the
Like
silver bullet delivery was very good. Just
yeah, the delivery was nice, but it's just
look at the SPX especially. There was a beautiful silver bullet, but
SPX was nice, but look at Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq 1 minute. Look how we chopped
yeah,
up.
Nasdaq wasn't that much, but SPX
Look,
was really
yeah,
beautiful. Like I might trade the silver bullet as my like main
yeah, it's really good.
because because as my main model because like I really like understand it, like
Mm,
for like 4 or 5 days in a row I wasn't trading, but like for 6 days in a row I got my joint liquidity correct. Like I didn't enter, but when I did enter, I did get every trade as a win. So and that would have been a win as well. So I'm like really improving at joint liquidity, so I could use my silver bullet and I could use silver bullet as my main model.
yeah, well,
I just need
do
to
it, man.
improve it. I just need to improve it because like
Obviously.
the entry today was really good. Like I just didn't enter because we already tapped into the fair value gap before. But now that I'm looking at it, we did have a really good displacement from the order block and intermediate term low. Really huge displacement. Silver bullet hour entry from the fair value gap. Stop loss 5 handles, take profit. The fair value gap around 1 to 1.5. It's fine. I'll take it,
Yeah,
but
well, it's whatever.
not too
Just
happy about it to be honest. I'm kind of disappointed. I missed it, but I'm gonna see that for
at
next
least you
time.
listen. At least you didn't lose.
Yeah,
That's the
that's
best.
correct.
Like at least
Because
you didn't
yeah,
risk anything.
I mean I'll trade a PM silver bullet then. That's for sure. I'll trade a
Yeah.
PM silver bullet.
Yeah, I'm logging all of my trades. Yeah, it was dumb. The first one, I can't really be mad about the first trade considering like I wanted to see like I wanted to see prices go lower. And I mean the 1 minute looked really nice. Look, we had a 1 minute breaker, a
Ooh,
fair value gap.
you went up. Yep.
We had a come back into where I entered on the breaker. My entry was on the breaker, and then it just went up higher. It's just unfortunate, you know. Just I guess order flow wasn't there, but I mean, I was expecting lower prices, you know, as we talked about before. You want to see like a lower sweep, but I
Mhm.
guess we just went up higher, you know.
Yeah.
Simple as that. It's just unavoidable, you know.
But that silver bullet on the SPX was really good. I'm just
Yeah,
I'm not too happy about it to be honest. I'm kind of
it's fine.
disappointed as I
Don't
said.
work yourself. Oh, it's whatever, man. Like I said, you didn't lose at least.
Yeah, we can say like this, but it was a very obvious setup, right? It was a very obvious setup. There was displacement, very nice big displacement, and then a fair value gap. Like we reacted from it already, but I just didn't enter. I just didn't feel like it. 50% of the order block as well. I could enter inside after 10. Stop loss 5. Okay, I'll take the
Yeah,
notes. I'll take notes for next. Wait, I'm just gonna
yeah.
put it like this. And 10 a.m. I'm gonna take
Yeah,
notes.
sometimes I do similar things where I see an entry, I like it, but I'm scared to take it, you know.
I'll really, I'll really like,
I've improved
yeah,
on it because it's difficult to improve on it because it's like you're risking something, you know. But once you improve on that, you're gonna start winning your trades. Because sometimes I take like good trades, like I see a good trade, but I don't take it, you know.
yeah. I
But
mean,
it happens, man.
I'm gonna like, I'm gonna journal all the silver bullet because I'm really like, I really decided to make silver bullet like my model, personal model, and it's really powerful. I found because once you understand the dual liquidity, which now I do, but I didn't at the start. Like once you understand this, then it's
Yeah.
gonna be easy, right? It's gonna be very easy once you understand your dual liquidity, and that's what I worked on, and it's played out very well.
The drawing
Like
liquidity is just the
yeah,
key for
like
everything.
even I'm surprised. 6 times in a row, I got like, I got a I got I got my direction right 6 times in a row. Like I
Yeah.
improved so much, I saw, and it's really like satisfying. Then you when you
Yes.
say what market's gonna do, and then it does that.
Yeah.
It's just so satisfying. I don't know.
That was me Friday.
Yeah,
That was me
very
on
very
last
satisfying.
Friday. Last Friday, SPX, it was just perfect. It just kept respecting and prices went up high. Wait, hold up. I'll be right back. I'll get food.
Yeah, sure. Take your time. But I'm gonna trade a PM Silver Bullet as well. I'm really excited. Now that I understand it, I'm ready. I'm ready to like even on the AM session. Like I knew the drawn liquidity was this high. Like I was watching the market. I just didn't trade it because the London session, you for indices usually isn't that good. But why did I do that? Again, we had an intermediate term low order block, and then 3 a.m. So I wanted to see a displacement. We had no displacement yet. Once we once we saw that move up, um, I didn't I didn't I didn't enter on the 1 minute. I didn't watch on the 1 minute, but um, wait, let me show you. I saw the 3 minute. Why the 3 minute or the 2 minute? It's same, but I was watching the 3 minute because the displacement was much nicer, and I was wanting to enter here, but as I said, it was a setup, but it also offers 10 handles. It was a setup, but me personally, it's not for me because the London session. I usually don't have time on London session. Today I had exceptionally, but usually I don't. So I got my direction with these 7 times in a row, which I'm really proud about. Really proud of
I'm gonna
myself.
go now.
Yeah,
Because after I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna have to do something. But
yeah, sure. I
if
mean,
you're gonna take any setups,
in
let me
PM,
know.
in PM.
Yeah, I'll be present in your stream, whatever. Discord.
I don't know if I'll stream, but I'll
Yeah, it's fun.
I'll trade. Yeah, we
All
can
right,
still
see you
trade.
later though, yeah.
Yeah, goodbye.
Good luck in a bit.
All right, guys. It's just very satisfying. Thank you for the stream. I don't know. Thank you, Anna. Thank you. No problem. I mean, you will get better and better than multis. Yeah, we're going to smoke those charts, right? It was a very obvious silver bullet. I saw it after, but the drawn liquidity and everything was right. So this is the hardest part, and it's really good. I just misread the displacement right here. If I would see it, I would enter. Plus the order flow was bullish, and once you understand order flow and the drawn liquidity, it's just game over. It's game over. It's really game over. Did you take entry on S100? No, I didn't. I didn't take the entry, but I would. But the RR just wasn't good. The RR just wasn't good. I was looking to take a 2022 model from the 2 minute Fear Valley gap, but I just then didn't. But yeah, if I took both trades, I would have been 2% up, which is amazing. I still have to work on my psychology a little more, but I can guarantee that I'm so proud of myself that I really improved. Really improved since I started this YouTube channel and since I started ICT. Thanks to you guys. I'm still on trade. Thanks to you guys. Yeah, thank you so much for being here, Mitchell. Thank you so much. I hope you learn, and you profited. So, that's two things that are positive, and you really can't lose anything except for maybe, I don't know. You can't really lose anything just being here. So thank you so much. But yeah, the silver bullet was awesome. I joined it. So next on to the next one, PM. I'm gonna trade a PM session. I'm not gonna stream, but I will trade the PM session. If you guys want, we can do some back tests on the weekends. Let me know. Like silver bullet back test and stuff. Could be very interesting. Let me know if you. By the way, guys, join my Discord. Yeah, by the way, join my Discord below. Like, I lost my Discord before. I accidentally deleted it, like by accident. It's sad. I'm a little like, I'm not too good because of this. Not too feeling too good, but I would appreciate if you join my Discord with the link below. It's a new Discord, but it's the same, but it's new, right? I had to make a new one, unfortunately. So it's around 50 members, 60. Not a lot, but yeah, sure. I want it, please. You want what? Do you mean the backtesting sessions or what do you mean? And the silver bullet join liquidity has been reached. And look how he reacted. The Fear Valley gap, like I showed you before, even before this move happened, got respected by a tick. And there's a high chance we will reverse. But I'm not gonna talk about that because the silver bullet would be very nice. 4-point stop loss. Target partials of course, but yeah. Thank you for joining the Discord, guys. Thanks so much. And please like the stream if you enjoy being here. So it really helps me a lot. Like, thank you. Yeah, we've come a long way. I can remember. Yo, I have screenshots of me trading RSI divergences. Oh, I got screenshots. I can check them. Wait, it's gonna be interesting. One sec. Let me log into Discord. Let's see. Log into Discord. Where is it? Here. Oh, so there's a crypto crypto trade with RSI divergence. There's another one. There is support and resistance levels. There's another support and resistance level. Oh man, it was so bad. Damn, bro, that wasn't That was on November. So November last year, I got a screenshots of me trading retail. It's fun though, looking back, seeing how much, like, even you guys, everyone can improve so fast if they just put in the work, which many people skip the process. They try to rush, but once you get it, you really get it. Once you get it, you just understand it, right? It's not even hard to spot the things you want to see. Boom. You know that fair value gap? You can go back in the stream and you will see I showed you that exact fair value gap before this move in happened. And look what we did. We are reacting for potential short, break of structure, liquidity. We are reacting for potential short from this exact level. Like, it's so precise, you know? And once, as I said, once you really get it, once you understand it, once you understand the delivery of price, you don't even need, like, um, you don't need any indicators. Like, all the indicators I have are sessions. Then this is the daily divider, so shows me it shows me midnight levels. Where's midnight? So it's in wrong time zone, but yeah, it showed me midnight. It shows me midnight. Then I have and the new week opening gap, and that's basically it. And the watermark, so you guys can see the time frame. Uh, you can see. Oh yeah, I can put it. Yeah, like this. Wait. Is this better? Is this better? Uh, we are all close to grabbing thing and owning it. Yeah, Mitchell, I agree. Rias, is this is I cannot see now. It's S&P 500. Can you see it now? At the top on the right side. Boom. We have sweep of liquidity. We have displacement, taking a short-term low. Now this is a potential short. I'm not gonna trade this, but low to high, easy trade into this low for 1 to 2. Easy trade into the discount or this revalue or just 1 to 2 and then maybe, but this is a classic 2022 setup. I will not go over right now and I will not trade it, but this is what I'm looking for. Can you see it now, Rise? Is it better to see? It's bigger and it should be darker, but I don't know. Is it okay? Okay, nice. Knox music, really nice. Nice. Yeah, it's SPX 500. You're right. I can see. Okay, nice, perfect. Like I did it like this because it's much easier, and it's like much cleaner. Everything is much cleaner right here. You don't see anything around, any tool stuff, any white stuff. You only see the chart and the things. You don't see anything that is not important. Which is it better for you? Because I think that's a really really good improvement. how to make the watermark, please? Can you show me? Um, yeah. So right here, click the indicators and search for watermark, and click watermark light JD, and click it, and then you go to settings, and then you can manage all the things right here. All the things are visible here, and I have it right here. You can't really move it, but it's at the top middle of the screen. Ah, no problem. It's okay, Nox Music. It's totally fine. I appreciate you. Let's see. Mm-hmm. And we're going even higher. That's really nice. Well, we get 5 handles from the Fair Valley Gap. Yeah, we did. Really nice. Beautiful price delivery right here. Beautiful. Just like we expected. I just didn't take any trades, but I'm not worried about it. Um, there was a trade out. This trade I would take. This one not really, because it's not really like, it's not, I wouldn't say this high is a joint liquidity, so it's not really high probability for me. That's why. That is exactly why. Mm. So do you guys want to see PM Silver Bullet? Like, breakdown and what I see, my full analysis, and so you guys can maybe recreate a trade, but only for study, of course. Not a financial advice. Because the PM maybe will be good as well, since we are starting to see some movement right here. Basically, like, how this is what Silver Bullet is. Can you see this nice delivery? Like, so beautiful. Yes, Leon? Yeah, maybe. It's so beautiful. Oh man, we're going even higher. Yeah, I guess this was a joint liquidity, or this one, but I wouldn't call it like that. Yeah, it was a high of displacement, but I would still not enter from here. I would still not enter from here. Very, very nice delivery though. Market maker buy model, really nice. Wait, so if we had a first accumulation, so wait, we can maybe find a trade right here, to be honest. We can't find a trade maybe. Yeah, this could be a nice trade though. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but because there's a micrometer buy model. If we retrace, it's gonna be a second stage accumulation, and it's a low resistance liquidity run. So yeah, it could be interesting, though I just don't want to see this high taken before we come into it. It wasn't that clean before, but right now it's much more cleaner. Maybe we'll take it, we'll see. You can get this high here as well, so confident. Maybe we will get a trade here. Not sure though. Not sure. EU's correcting the upside. EU didn't really have any silver bullet. Maybe this was a silver bullet in my opinion. Let's see. I didn't. It didn't have any silver bullet. In my opinion. Yeah, correction is nice, but I don't think it had any silver bullet trades because we didn't really fill any gaps that were good for silver bullet entry. You know. I want to see a retrace into here, into this gap for entry. This is a little risky in my opinion. Let's see. Yeah, thank you, Kobe. I don't really use my indicator, but thank you very much. Check the 5 minute. I don't need to. I'll just be looking at here. Oh, the 5 minute EU, maybe. I'm not sure. I want to. Two splits candles in a row. Oh, that's really nice. Oops. Okay, we reached it. It's fine. Oh, I didn't want to delete all. No. But yeah, it was a good market maker buy model. I have to admit that. It was a good market maker buy model. Really beautiful. Very nice. Guys, I'll be right back, okay? I have to get some food and then I'll be right back, so BRB. Wait, let me change that. BRB. Black color and visible. Okay, BRB. Hello? Welcome. Okay. Yeah, we still don't see anything. There's no retracement, there's no thing like that. I mean, this doesn't look like a sweep. I wanna go through it. So maybe this could still be an entry. Maybe. Let's see. Mm. I don't know, it's getting late into the session, so nice of a bullet today. Draw liquidity straight up. Really nice entry. Missed it unfortunately, but it's okay. Straight also really nice. Didn't, but SPX did a much better silver bullet in my opinion. Much much cleaner, right? Much more cleaner, yeah. Uh, uh, we'll see. Still nothing too much, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for Silver Bullet at PM. Thank you so much for watching the stream, guys. I'm gonna end here, but thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for being so active at your chat. Please join my Discord and follow me on Twitter. That I would appreciate it very much. And until PM session, I won't stream probably, but I'll be active in Discord and on Twitter. So thank you so much. Stay safe and see you in the next stream. Good luck and goodbye.